Hamza is the top earning creator on School with his community, Adonis School. He earns over $120,000 per month from 1,500 paying members. Hamza managed to amass a huge fan base from his personal YouTube channel in the self-improvement niche with over 2 million subscribers. However, there are multiple controversies surrounding him, including his contradictory behavior and degenerate marketing schemes. Today, I'm going to be giving my honest review on Adonis School, including its courses, community, and more, to see if the claims are as bad as they seem. Hamza owns a couple of communities, including Adonis Gang and Adonis School. Adonis School was previously a free community, but he made it $1 a month to mitigate spammers and low-quality posts. The community has over 130,000 members, and it focuses on self-improvement. However, if you want to access the courses and Zoom calls, you need to upgrade to Adonis School. Adonis School is the paid version of the community that costs $199 per month to join, or $1,000 per year if you choose the yearly subscription. If you compare its price to other popular courses like The Real World or Digital Launchpad, Adonis School is the most expensive. The landing page of the community claims that it can identify the right business for you, market your product and get sales, and achieve a $10,000 per month milestone. It also includes bonuses like access to doctors, a relationship program, and an entrepreneurship community where you can network with others. Now, let's take a look at what's inside Adonis School so that you know what to expect. The main part of the school is the community, where members share their success stories, ask questions, and more. Hamza is very active in the community, and he frequently posts videos and share updates on the school. If you visit his profile, you can see the number of contributions he makes per day, which is very green. This is a good sign because some community owners are not active in their own community. Hamza also frequently replies to other members' posts, so it shows that he cares a great deal about others. When I first joined the community, the first thing that I had to do was to put myself on the map. Since I'm based in Singapore, I added myself to it. The majority of the members are from Europe, the UK, and the US, so if you are from any of these places, you'll probably have more opportunities to make friends and network with others. The Adonis map is a great feature because it allows you to connect with members near you, and it makes meetups possible. Adonis School also has a direct messaging feature where you can chat with other members. Overall, the community has a lot of high quality posts that focuses on business, fitness, and YouTube. Hamza also implemented a few rules to prevent low quality posts like no face ratings, soliciting, or broken English. School allows you to sort posts by the best ones each week. However, it would be nice to have the ability to sort posts by the best ones for all time like Reddit. This will allow you to find the most valuable posts since the start of the community. The classroom is the most important part of Adonis School, which is what you're paying $199 per month for. The courses include YouTube guides, speaking skills, becoming an online coach, and many others. The first course is the YouTube course, which is probably the most important course in the school. This is because Hamza built an audience of over 2 million subscribers on YouTube, so he should know what he's talking about. I'm pretty impressed with his work ethic because he started uploading videos about 4 years ago and never stopped. Today, his channel has over 1,000 videos and 320 million views. The YouTube course has 3 main sections, including 0 to 100 subscribers, 100 to 10,000 subscribers, and 10,000 to 1 million subscribers. The course focuses on making videos in his self-improvement niche. It covered topics like titles, thumbnails, and video formulas. However, he missed out on a few important points like equipment recommendations, recording software, and editing tools. For example, to record this video, I needed to buy a webcam, a microphone, an XLR cable, and an audio interface. He also didn't go into detail about the RPM or CPM of different YouTube niches. For example, finance channels tend to pay more than gaming or self-improvement channels. So this is something that you should consider if you're planning on starting a new YouTube channel. The course also has a bonus section that teaches you how to be a quote-unquote cult leader. Overall, the course is very detailed, but some videos contain unnecessary fluff like the re-emphasis on being authentic. The second course is about monetizing your audience by selling an online course. This includes tutorials on platforms like Kajabi, ClickFunnels, School, and TikTok. This course is a follow-up to the YouTube course to monetize your audience. The gist of it is that you're going to convert the views from your YouTube channel to get sales, which is exactly what Hamza is doing with his YouTube channel. I personally sold a course before, and I didn't use Kajabi or ClickFunnels because they are both very expensive. What I used to create my course, which is an ebook, is using Google Docs, which is free, and Gumroad to sell it, which is also free. The TikTok course is taught by Musa, who worked for content creators like Sneeko and West HD. I liked it because each video is short and concise. Surprisingly, this, along with 3 other courses, are the only ones that are not taught by Hamza. Other courses include speaking skills, becoming an online coach, fitness, and more. There are a total of 21 courses inside the classroom, which is a lot more than the other courses that I've bought, like The Real World by Andrew Tate or Digital Launchpad by Iman Ghazi. There are 3 other courses in a classroom that can only be unlocked after you've reached a certain level. This includes Advanced Danish course, Advanced Hamza course, and a Superior Dating course. You can earn points when other members like your posts or comments. This progression system is available on all school communities by default to increase engagement. Despite the variety of courses, I'm quite surprised that there were no course that teaches members how to invest their money into stocks or cryptocurrencies. Once you have an income stream, the best way to grow your capital is by investing it. One way to do so is to buy the S&P 500, which has an average return of 10% per year. For example, if you've invested $10,000 into it, you'll gain more than $1,000 every year based on historical data. If you want to start investing in stocks, you can sign up for Mumu using the link in the description of the video to get a $35 sign-up bonus for free. If you want to invest in stocks but you don't know how to, I made a 4-minute tutorial on it. You can watch it right after this video. In the classroom, Hamza also uploaded past recordings of Zoom calls. The one category in particular is the guest series, where Hamza invited successful creators like Ali Abdaal, Mike Thurston, and Sam Ovens. Most of these calls are like podcast episodes that are about an hour long. My issue with these podcasts is that some of them contain a lot of fluff and are very time consuming. Instead of spending time watching podcasts, you can increase your productivity by actually starting a business or creating YouTube videos for your channel. So I don't recommend spending too much time on watching these long form calls and use it to progress on your own endeavors instead. Lastly, Adonis School has a calendar section that includes the schedule for Zoom calls. The calendar is always jam-packed and there is a call every day. It's sort of like online education where you can attend Zoom classes on entrepreneurship, business, masculinity, and more. Hamza frequently does these calls at 1 PM Eastern Time 2 to 3 times a week, so he's very active in the community. Overall, Adonis School is a great community where everyone has a goal of improving themselves and getting rich. What I like most about it is that Hamza is very active in the community as he frequently posts valuable content, engages with members, and conducts Zoom calls multiple times per week. Hamza also teaches almost every course in the school. This is unlike other mainstream courses like The Real World by Andrew Tate, where the courses aren't actually taught by Tate himself. The main setback about the community is its price at $199 per month. Adonis School, as compared to other courses like The Real World, Digital Launchpad or Capital Club, is the most expensive. So if you're thinking about joining Adonis School, I recommend joining Adonis Gang for $1 per month first to see if the community resonates with you. There are a lot of opinionated individuals on Hamza as a person, like his contradictory behavior and his degenerate marketing schemes. And about the marketing scheme, Hamza actually addressed this issue in his newsletter and admitted there was a mistake, so it shows that he's willing to take feedback and improve. However, if there's something you can look up to, it's his work ethic. You can't just become a multi-millionaire and earn $1 million per year without hard work, especially at such a young age. Hamza has uploaded over 1,000 videos on his YouTube channel, so if you want to reach that level of success, you need to be prepared to work extremely hard and publish a ton of content. If you found this review helpful, do give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you're looking to invest in stocks but you don't know how to, do watch the video on the left.